Hi everyone. We all know that the performance metrics enable you to monitor the essential device and application vitals, which are crucial for debugging and maximizing mobile app efficiency. Mobile users tend to frequently switch between different applications or perform multitasking, running multiple apps concurrently. Furthermore, background processes, when not properly optimized, can consume more CPU resources, thereby placing additional load on the CPU, which can lead to potential bottlenecks and cause the app to become slow, unresponsive, or even crash. Hence, it is critical to measure and track the CPU and memory utilization. So today, we will explore how to use performance graphs on AstroFarm, specifically for iOS devices. So open astrofarm.42gears.com and log into your account. As you can see, I have already signed into my account. In the landing page, you will see all the devices that have been enrolled on the AstroFarm console. So firstly, let's click on the iOS device which is ready to use. So device control page opens where we can see the remote screen of the device on which we could perform the necessary actions needed for testing. On the top right, there are a few tabs. To learn in detail about the other tabs, please click the video attached below. So let's navigate to the Performance tab positioned before the Info tab and click on it. Inside the Performance section, you can monitor the trends of CPU and memory utilization of the desired apps and compare it with different apps and be alerted of any CPU or memory bottlenecks in real time. So currently we are seeing the trends for the default application Mobile Safari. Here you have two sections, CPU on top followed by memory graph. In the CPU section, you have CPU utilization in y-axis spread over the time in the x-axis. So when we hover the cursor on the data point in the graph, we can see the percentage of CPU usage. Likewise, let me scroll down, we can see it for the memory usage. So let me select a different application now. To do so, we will click on Select Process, which will load all the processes on the device. I am choosing Astro Contacts, which is an internal app designed specifically as a centralized repository of all the employee contacts. Click on Apply. So now as I open Astro Contacts, which is on the device, so depending on the usage of the app, we could see the trends for CPU and the memory utilization in the respective sections. So just to show you a bit of how, So now let's say we want to track the history of the graph once the device session ends. We can free up the device, head to home page, navigate to the report section here. So inside the report section, click on View under the Performance column. So this will show the trends captured during the active device session for the selected device.